Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the problems on operators. So first problem is prove that HD is equal to log of 1 plus delta. So we know that what term contains HD? We know that E, which is forward shift operator, is nothing but 1 plus delta, that is forward difference operator, is equal to E raised to HD. So we will consider this relationship. So e raised to hd is nothing but 1 plus delta. Now we are taking the log on both the sides. So log of x cube is nothing but 3 log of x. So log of e raised to hd will be hd log of e equal to log of 1 plus delta. What is log e? Log e is 1. So hd is equal to log of 1 plus delta. So this is the proof. Then we have to prove hd is equal to minus log of 1 minus inverted delta. So this is the relationship between the forward operators. We also have the relation E inverse is equal to 1 minus delta, which is inverted delta, equal to e raised to minus of hd. So we will consider this relation. So e raised to minus hd is nothing but 1 minus inverted delta. So e raised to minus hd, we can take the log again. So we will get minus hd log of e is equal to log of 1 minus inverted delta. What is log e? Log e is 1. So minus hd is equal to log of 1 minus inverted delta. So hd will be minus of log 1 minus inverted delta. So this is the proof. After this we have to prove e raised to half minus e raised to minus half into 1 minus inverted delta the whole raised to half is equal to inverted delta. So here we have 1 minus inverted delta. So we have the relation E inverse is equal to 1 minus inverted delta. So here also we want E inverse. So what we are going to do? I am writing this e raised to half as 1 upon e raised to minus half and minus e raised to minus half. And instead of 1 minus inverted delta, I am writing E inverse. So I will get E inverse the whole raised to half. I am cross multiplying this term here. So we will get 1 minus E raised to minus half, and E raised to minus half will become E raised to minus 1 upon E raised to minus half into this can be represented as E raised to minus half. So this E raised to minus half and E raised to minus half will get cancelled. And from this we write inverted delta as 1 minus E inverse, and this term is nothing but inverted delta. Hence proved.